Here is the Bolton Chelsea Suede Boots in brown from Beckett Simonon. It's water repellent suede that is soft, which gives a plush feeling when touching. These Chelsea boots are made from high quality vachetta leather lining to manage temperature, absorb sweat, and control odor. These boots have the classic Chelsea boot design with elasticated side panels and a loop at the back to make them easy to slip on and off. They also have a slim profile with almond-shaped toe box for a sleek, modern look. Blake stitching around to ensure the shoes are sturdy and resolvable with minimal break-in. Made with leather sole, but it has the stacked rubber heel caps to provide traction, durability, and shock absorption. The Bolton Chelsea boots are available in two colors, brown and black. Both are natural colors, so it will be a versatility option when it comes to putting an outfit together. When it comes to sizing, it ranges from 7 to 14 sizes. I suggest you size it down if you decide to get these boots. So if you are size 10 on sneakers, you will need to get into size 9 or 9.5. Now that's all the juicy information we have about this Bolton Chelsea boots from Beckett Simonon. Let me share with you my thoughts about these boots. By the way, in case you're not aware about this brand, Beckett Simonon is a footwear brand that specializes in handmade leather shoes, boots, and sneakers. The brand prides itself on using high-quality materials, traditional craftsmanship techniques, and a direct-to-consumer business model to reduce waste and provide customers with affordable luxury footwear. Okay, back to my thoughts. Upon unboxing this boot, you could already smell the fresh leather scent, and it's very aromatic to me. Very nice looking boots, like the color, like it's super rich. I think it's more like a chocolate brown color in comparison to just brown. Great stitching all around, and the suede is nice, but not as velvety soft as the other suede that I felt before. One thing I noticed though, there is a little break or chipped wood near the heel. Not sure if this is intentional or this is a production issue. Upon wearing them, these Chelsea boots are super comfortable. It feels premium. Got that little bouncy feel. Toe box is indeed a little narrow, so folks with wider feet may find these shoes uncomfortable. I don't think these Chelsea boots require breaking in. No heel slippage, even though I got the shoes in size 9.5. I actually wore this outside for like an hour and walk around the mall center, and I did not feel any fatigue or pain. Overall, these Chelsea boots are simply good looking. Definitely worth the value for the price you pay and worth the wait. I mean, for the value of $259, it's definitely a solid choice. I highly recommend this Bolton Chelsea boots if you're looking for very nice, very comfortable, and water repellent Chelsea boots that offer versatility when it comes to putting an outfit together. And if you don't mind waiting for weeks to arrive in your house. On the other spectrum, do not get these shoes if you don't have patience to wait and don't really have a budget for it. At the end of the day, these are just my opinions. It is up to you to decide whether you want to grab this or not. So that's it for me, guys. Stay sharp and stay stylish. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.